Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Part Question 8. You have the diagram below, which is an illustration of the longitudinal section of a plant organ, and this plant organ is an onion bulb. So we're asked, the part labeled 1 is the A. Apical bud, B. Scale leaf, C. Adventitious root, D. Fleshy leaf. So to be a good idea for us to label each of the parts given to us and see what each part represents. Now, the part labeled 1 is known as the tunic leaf. Now, that area is also called the apical bud or the apex of the onion bulb. Now, the part labeled 2 is known as the fleshy scale leaf. So you can either refer to it as the fleshy leaf or the scale leaf. Now the part labeled 3 is known as the stem, and the part labeled 4 is the adventitious root. So as we have seen here, the part labeled 1 is the tunic leaf, also called the apex or the apical bud, and the apical bud is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.